How to recover old permanently deleted YouTube channel. In order to recover the old permanently deleted YouTube channel, you just have to open any browser of your choice, and on this web address bar just type in here. You have to search for youtube.com/support.
Click on Next.
Now on this page you have to describe your issue. Just write deleted YouTube account recovery and simply search for it. Now simply tap on this three horizontal line at the top left corner of the screen, and you have to scroll down and select submit feedback at the bottom of the screen. You need to simply tap on next button. Here you can select this help content and information or general help center experience. Now once you get access to this page, you can describe your feedback to Google. Here you can enter all the issue regarding why you want to recover all permanently deleted YouTube channel, or why you have deleted those YouTube channel previously. Then after that you can also upload a screenshot if you have any. Then you can check mark this box that say we may email you for more information or updates. Then you can tap on send at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once the feedback has been submitted, you might get email for those more information or updates, and from there after 24 hours or more than that, you can easily get help from YouTube or Google to recover all permanently deleted YouTube channel. So in this way you can recover your YouTube channel that has been deleted. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.